Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your health. We'll cover essential steps to boost your well-being, starting with nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods provides vital nutrients. Next, we'll discuss the importance of regular physical activity. Finally, we'll highlight why sufficient, restful sleep is a cornerstone of good health, helping your body repair and rejuvenate. Proper nutrition is key to sustained energy and disease prevention. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like lean meats, fish, and plant-based proteins. Reduce your intake of sugary snacks and drinks, which offer little nutritional value. Hydration is equally crucial. Aim for around 2 liters of water daily to support all bodily functions and maintain energy levels. Beyond diet, regular physical activity significantly impacts your health. Combine cardio, like brisk walking, with strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Mental well-being is just as vital. Dedicate time to stress-reducing activities such as meditation or deep breathing. Nurturing strong social connections also provides emotional support and improves overall happiness. Preventative care is essential for long-term health. Make sure to visit your doctor for regular checkups and screenings, even when you feel well. Avoiding harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol intake will also significantly reduce health risks. Remember, investing in your health is the best investment you can make. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on financial well-being, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.